Where are you, Kiva? You here? Kiva is here? It's raining outside. We'll go tomorrow. Yeah, we'll go tomorrow. It's nighttime. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. It's bedtime. You say bedtime? Where are you, Kiva? You here? Kiva is here? Oh, where's your friend? Call your friend. Is Baba your friend? Is he your friend? He's not your friend? What happened? What did he do? He didn't take you outside?